Hello awesome people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Getty and this is One Gem. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. It's simple, it's easy. I hope you enjoy it. I started off with washed and stretched hair. What I did is I divided the hair into three sections. The back section I just tied with a hair tie, and I started working on the front section. Then I tied the right side so that I can start working on the left. It's very important to moisturize, to add water to your hair, especially if you're going to use a comb, just so that it's a bit wet. I further went on to divide the section into three parts because I'm going to have to braid two parts, and then the other I'm going to do a demonstration for those that cannot braid. So what you can do if you cannot braid, I'll show you that, and then the side I'll just do a braid for those that can braid. What I'm going to be using my Flaxseed Gel. If you do not know how to make this gel, it's a homemade gel, and if you don't know how to make it, I'll just put it in the link below. In the link below I'll attach my video that I demonstrate and explain how to make the Flaxseed Gel. I really like using it because it's homemade, it's natural, it does not break my hair, and it also does not become white or scaly, or you know how gel behaves after a few days. I really like this gel. So please check out my video. I'll put it in the link below on how to make this gel. So I'm just gonna braid the side. You can see it's easy, it's quite fast, no hassle. But if you cannot braid, you can also twist and just make sure that you secure it with a rubber band, just so that it doesn't unravel. Twisting can also work. What is very important is that you must make sure that you work in the gel. What is important is actually working in the gel. Make sure you comb it in, make sure it's evenly distributed into the hair, because if it doesn't, then obviously it will form parts that are white if you don't properly work it in. So that is the one tip I can give you when using the Flaxseed Gel. And then if you do work it in properly, the results are amazing. So this look is inspired by a YouTuber that I follow. I'll also put her link in the description below. That's where I actually saw the hairstyle, and I just wanted to personalize it a little bit, so you'll see it's slightly different from hers, but that's where I got the inspiration from. So the section, as we divide, as we start partitioning it off, you for each small section you apply the gel just so that it's properly slick down, and it's not having some flyaways. I'm using this small elastic bands, and this method is good for people that cannot braid hair. So you can just put an elastic band, and then you twist the hair and you connect it to this next section. Easy. Guys, it's very important that you work in the gel. Make sure that it's evenly distributed. Make sure it's properly worked in. That's why I keep working in the gel, making sure that I comb the hair just after I apply or not really comb, more like brush the hair, just so that the gel is properly worked in, because if it doesn't, it will flake, but if you work it in properly, you won't even notice you have applied gel, because it's also soft. It doesn't harden the hair. That some gel, when you just touch, it's like concrete or something, or cement, I don't know. So this gel is very, very it's soft. It doesn't harden the hair, and it's easy to make. You can make it in, I think, 45 minutes at home. It's easy to make, and it's cheap. Gel also doesn't come easy. What I'm doing, this is not compulsory. It's just to tighten the hair a bit. I make a small braid, but it's not compulsory. Like you saw at the beginning, I didn't even do that. So even if you can't braid, you don't have to worry about that. Just put your elastic band, and you're good to go. Also, you don't have to twist the hair till the end. You can just make a small twist for it to connect to the next section, and that will also work. And also, like I'm now at the final section for this part. When you do put the elastic band, you don't really have to apply. You don't really have to braid the hair till the end, because you're going to comb it into the back bun. So you don't have to do that as well, because I did it, but I later had to untwist it so that I can join it to the back. Like you can see, now that's how you actually. I went ahead and did the other section, and I tried to make it as identical as possible. You can see it's not exactly identical. Like with our eyebrows, I personally think the two halves of my head are not identical, but I tried my best. Like the eyebrows, they say eyebrows are not twins but cousins, so yeah. Okay, also I've demonstrated how to attach the hair in this video, but first we are going to lay our edges. Of course, this is not compulsory. It all depends on personal preference. I do prefer my edges laid, and it just gives that extra look, that extra nice look to the hairstyle. So I went ahead and laid my edges, and I don't know about you guys, but I really struggle with my back hair. It's so, what is the word? It's like cruise at the bottom here. I don't know if you guys maybe have some tips on how I can make it less cruise, man. It's really, really bad. So I went ahead and applied enough gel there just so that I can slick it down, and yeah, that's what I did. And this is my look after I just put on a bit of makeup, and I'm so happy with it. It came out so nice. I don't know, I'm feeling this look, and oh my gosh, I really liked it. I'm going to attach Marley braid, just one whole, it was a pack, one whole pack. Put a hairband in the middle. I have explained this method several times. I can also I'll put one video's link that I clearly demonstrated how I put the elastic band on the hair. I secured this one with a hairpin, just so that it's in place, and then I took a section from the back, wrapped it around the hair just to further secure my bun, and voila. How do you guys like it? And of course, if you like to be a little bit extra like me, you can spice it up a bit. You can add some accessories to the look, and that's what I did. I put those silver accessories on, just to make it look a little bit extra, a little bit cute here and there, and And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like the video, please like it. Please click on the thumbs up and like the video. And leave a comment. Do you like this look? Will you try it out? Do you think it's complicated? Do you think it's easy? Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.